Hey guys, this is Josh Tech here, and for today's video guys is we're going to do our unboxing and our review of this Tuzo NC3 or AEROSOUND2 from Amazon. Let's go. Hey guys, this is Josh here. Welcome back to our channel. And yes guys, today is we are very excited because we have here another product from Tuzo. This is their AEROSOUND2 or the NC3 active noise cancellation earbuds. You can actually get this one guys from Amazon. So if you're interested, just tap on the link in the description box. So now guys, this is more actually like a re-unboxing. I have actually unboxed this one, and if you have seen my previous video, so we have here guys our the box of our Tuzo NC3 active noise cancellation built-in LED digital display. It's in there, and then we have here the quick specifications. So we have here 45 decibels of noise cancellation, 12 hours playtime, 55 milliamperes per earbud battery, 1.5 hours for fast charging, and 52 hours total with case. Okay, so it also has a low latency mode, 1 key reset, and hybrid active noise cancellation, and 3 mic ENC call noise cancellation, and built-in LED digital display. So without further ado, let's open this one. So we have here guys the extra ear tips that you can get. So the ear tips, so you can actually adjust this one to which size you like. And we also have here the charging cable, so it's type C. What else? So now we have here our earbuds. Okay, so it's the Tuzo NC3. So we have here the branding here on top and at the back. So we have here the key reset. So you just have to long press that one and it will all be reset guys. And at the bottom, so you have here the charging port. Okay, let's have this one. Okay, so we have here our Tuzo NC3. Okay, and also the one here guys, the nice thing about here is that it has a digital display that you can actually use. By the way guys, for you to use your Tuzo NC3, you also have here your manual. So if you don't know how to use them and also how to charge, just refer to the manual you guys. Okay, now guys, I've actually used this one for a week already, and all I can say is that the battery is really long lasting. And aside from that, whenever I listen to music, it's really crisp. Okay, it really gives you that nice sound. And also when you're talking to someone, especially in a very loud or noisy environment, it can really reduce or actually remove those noise, and which is really make this an earbuds a perfect tool for you to do voice calling or video calling, even in a very crowded environment. And the battery guys, it's really nice. So according to the specification, it gives you 52 hours total with case, and I can attest to that one guys, because even though that I use this one for a long time, then the battery is still really holding up. So guys, all I can say that this Tuzo NC3 is a really good earbuds that you can have. This one is in 2026. So guys, if you're interested about this product, just tap on the link in the description box and let me know about your comments or thoughts about our Tuzo NC3 in the comment section. So guys, if you like this video, kindly click the thumbs up and also consider subscribing to our channel. Once again, this is Josh, and I'll see you guys in our next video.